Hey everyone, and welcome into Crazy Craft Creations. If you're anything like me, you have a pile of scrap wood that's just waiting for the next project. And that's exactly what today's video is all about. We're tackling that pile and turning it into 3 amazing, low-budget, high-impact Halloween decorations that are so much fun to build. Alright, let's get to work. First up, we're tackling the king of all scrap wood piles. We're making a statement piece. This isn't some tiny tabletop decoration. I'm using some old 1x8 boards and plywood for this. The final width at its shoulders is about 14 inches, and it tapers down to 8 inches at the base. Getting those iconic coffin angles is easier than it looks, I promise. A simple 15-degree angle on your saw is all you need. All it takes is a little wood glue and a few screws. And don't stress if it's not perfect. A few gaps and imperfections add to the worn, just dug this up kind of vibe. A light patchy coat of matte black and bronze spray paint makes this coffin ready to haunt. Seriously, this thing has such a presence. I think I might put a skeleton or some string lights inside. What do you think? Let me know in the chat how you would style this coffin. Next up, we have the quickest project in the video, and a great quick win for those last minute details. These pumpkins are as easy as it gets. Just chop up some scrap block wood into differing heights. 4x4 posts are perfect for this. All you need is a quick coat of bronze for the stems and orange for the base. Add a little wood glue to connect your stems and then you're done. There's nothing complicated about this, and that's why I love it. It's proof that decor doesn't have to be complex to be charming. And last but not least, the ultimate upcycling project and Dollar Tree hack all in one. For the lantern stand, I took 2 old porch posts that was destined for the trash. Chopped it down to size and gave it a quick coat of matte black spray paint and bronze on the curves that make a big impact. The secret weapon, these little lanterns from the Dollar Tree that were just $3. I attached them using glue. Then I added a nail as a hook to hold a sign or a candy bucket for trick-or-treaters. It's the ultimate upcycling project. A can of matte black spray paint is the biggest magic trick in a crafter's toolbox. This project cost under $20 to make, but it looks so good. And there you have it, 3 scrap wood projects that are ready to haunt your home for Halloween. I hope you had fun building along with me today. I've put together a complete guide of all the projects shown here today, with all the dimensions and supplies listed in a free blog post over on my website. You can find it linked in the description below. Hop on over and check it out if you're interested. If you love these ideas, make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on. I've got other Halloween projects coming up, where we'll make wickedly easy crafts using household items, an easy budget-friendly centerpiece, and more. You definitely don't want to miss this. Stay crafty, y'all!